Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video just to show what my strategy normally is when I trade stocks. So currently I sold out all my stock portfolio and I'm currently in cash, just waiting for a pullback. So what I have here, this is the SPY index graph, and as you can see I have it set up for a monthly. I'm using Webull here normally just for like the trending. I have set up different moving averages. I've set up a 5-day moving average, a 10-day moving average, and a 20-day, respectively, as you see the green, orange, and purple lines. And then I have it set up on monthly, as I said. And I also have set up the RSI and the MACD. But typically, what I use the most when I trade, I just use the moving averages and then set up the chart on a monthly basis. And I normally use it for the indexes. I use it for like large stocks, large market cap stocks that are well known. So what I typically look into the chart is, if you zoom in a little bit, first we see that the moving average trend is confirmed, being that the blue line is above the orange line and above the purple line. As you can see, during a downtrend, we do see a cross. So at a time like this, when a cross of the blue line under the orange line, that would be a signal for me to sell and stay out of the market. I only trade the market when it's on an uptrend just to reduce the risk. So as you can see here, for example, in the previous graphs, we see during 2020, that would be during COVID, we kind of slightly went below the orange line, so it was a major sell-off. So in that case, I would have sold and waited until a bounce above the blue line, which shows multi-month confirmation. At this point, we do see a switch from the blue line going above the orange line, and that was back in March 2023. So the market has been confirmed to be bullish from March 2023. And what I normally look at this point is just trying to purchase every time the market hits the 5-day moving average. So in this case, it would be the price 448 for SPY. And I've set up a notification where you can kind of basically go click on the chart and click on the bell here and set up prices at different levels. So you get notified every time the price goes below that specific average. And that's when I try to buy. And normally I try to sell back again after, 5 to 10% profit, and buy back every time it hits or it gets close to that line. As you can see here during this bull market, we've hit the 5-day moving average multiple times during the month. So it doesn't necessarily have to be exactly when it touches it, but normally when it's close. And also the MACD shows a cross of the blue line above the orange line. So that's also a positive sign that confirms that we have entered the bull market. And at this point, as you can see, we are stretched out way too much, far from the average. So I cashed out on everything and I'm waiting for at least a 10% pullback in the next few weeks. And I follow the same thing for the NASDAQ. As you can see, the same chart monthly, we're way above the moving average, so it's overbought. I follow the same thing for Apple, for Facebook. As you can see, Google, everything that is currently above the moving average, just wait for the candle to get closer to the moving average, as you can see here, for example. Anytime it gets close to the blue line, I just purchase and hold 5-10% gain. And I never trade on a downtrend market. That reduces the risk and keeps my profit always high. Same thing for Facebook. We're well above the market. As you can see, AMD currently it's way overextended. So I'm waiting for a significant pullback. And yeah, that's about it. It's very simple. It's a very simple strategy, and It keeps my risk very low, and it gives me an exit plan as well. All right, thank you everyone for watching.